In this video, you're about to discover the 5 biggest problems facing everyday Americans right now in 2025 and how you can actually fight back with practical, smart, and life-changing solutions. These aren't just headlines. These are the real struggles you're probably living with or seeing every single day: rising prices, non-stop, digital noise, attention burnout, and even a total breakdown of trust in media platforms. This video is your map to survive and thrive in this chaotic modern reality. So let's break it down, starting with the #1 crisis gripping every household. Problem 1. Rising prices in everything. Right now, inflation in America is silently destroying our wallets while politicians argue about numbers. You're the one paying $6 for a gallon of milk or $50 to fill your tank. Prices on beef, rent, home repairs, and daily groceries have gone way up, and they're not going down anytime soon. Tariffs, taxes, and broken supply chains are just part of it. The real pressure is on average families who are earning the same, but paying more for everything that used to be normal. Now, the solution is not just clipping coupons or skipping takeout. The real fix is 3 things. First, simplify your spending by tracking where every dollar goes, even if it sounds boring. Use apps like Rocket Money or YNAB that automate budgeting and cancel useless subscriptions. Second, buy bulk, not brands. Warehouse shopping like Costco or Sam's Club can save you hundreds per month if you plan ahead. Third, learn basic home economy, like cooking, freezing, or fixing. This gives you more control when prices spike. Problem 2. Economic uncertainty and fear of the future. Even though the job market looks strong, Americans are still nervous. Consumer confidence is stuck way below where it used to be. People are afraid to invest, afraid to buy a house, and unsure whether to trust banks or politicians. Inflation, interest rates, student debt. It all feels like too much, and the result is national stress, exhaustion, and anxiety. So, how do we fight this? Start with information. Ignore clickbait, financial news, and instead follow real data from sources like the Bureau of Labor Statistics or NerdWallet. Second, take back your financial power with simple habits. Automate savings. Invest a little every week, no matter what. Use tools like Acorns or Fidelity for small, safe steps. Third, if you're overwhelmed by loans or credit, seek nonprofit help groups like NFCC or local credit unions can actually renegotiate for you. Most Americans never use these. Problem 3. Media. Overload and mental exhaustion. Every single day, Americans scroll through over 8 hours of digital content between social media videos, podcasts, breaking news reels, and now AI spam. We are drowning in content and starving for truth. The result is a broken attention span, constant stress, doom scrolling, and emotional burnout. But the solution is simple. Start with digital diet. Set phone time limits, even 1 hour per day off screen. Create space for mental clarity. Next, clean your feed. Unfollow accounts that make you feel angry, jealous, confused, or addicted. Follow only what teaches, uplifts, or empowers. Third, rediscover boredom. Being bored is where creativity returns and your brain actually heals. Walk outside. Listen to nature, not just noise. Problem 4. Subscription fatigue and overconsumption. Netflix, Hulu, Disney, HBO, Spotify, Dropbox. Even news sites. How many monthly fees are draining your wallet? Most Americans have at least 8 subscriptions they never use. And worse, they feel trapped, afraid to cancel, afraid to lose access. But the truth is, it's costing peace and cluttering your life. So here's how to fix it every month. Do a 10-minute audit. Use apps like Trim or Rocket to cancel anything you haven't used in 30 days. Switch from auto-renew to manual renew, so nothing sneaks past you. And try bundling services where possible for discounts and free trials. Finally, ask yourself what adds real value. If it doesn't educate, entertain, or improve, you drop it and don't look back. Problem 5. Privacy invasion and the death of authenticity. Online used to be fun. Now it feels like a trap. Your searches become ads, your DMs become scams, and your data is sold before you hit send. Platforms like Instagram and TikTok are now storefronts, not social media. Everything is shoppable, clickable, buyable, and fake. And worst of all, it's hard to tell what's real anymore. You can fix this. First, install ad blockers and privacy tools like uBlock Origin or Brave Browser Second Control. Your data. Turn off location tracking review. Your permissions and disable ad personalization. Third, avoid signing into every site with your Google or Facebook account. That's how your identity is shared. Finally, make it a rule to pause before buying or sharing. Ask, is this real? Is this needed? Or is this manipulation? Final thoughts. So what does this all mean? It means you're not alone and you're not crazy. Everything from inflation to attention fatigue to fake news is real, and it's affecting everyone. But there is a way out. The way out is awareness action. And small, smart changes. Use your mind, not your emotions, to navigate this chaos. Protect your time, protect your money, and most of all, protect your peace. If this video helped you understand what's really happening in America today and what to do about it, share it with one person who needs it. Subscribe for more honest breakdowns, without fear, without noise, and always with real solutions. Because the truth is, America isn't broken. It's just confused, and we fix it by getting clear together.